Welcome, my friend. Welcome to this new topic where we'll be learning the simple VLOOKUP. Why I'm saying simple VLOOKUP? Because we are going to start one series on this VLOOKUP. See, first of all, I want to clear a simple VLOOKUP. Okay, then we'll move to double VLOOKUP, reverse VLOOKUP, and then VLOOKUP. Okay, so first of all, I want to clear the VLOOKUP. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you, I'll be teaching VLOOKUP in a different way. Okay, I mean some dynamic way, the in advanced way. Okay, so you can say that Vicky, I know VLOOKUP, so I can skip this topic and I can move to double VLOOKUP. Okay, but I will say no. Simply I will say no, because what we have learned, what you're using in your daily work, I mean you may be using this VLOOKUP in your daily work, in your daily office, in your personal work. Okay, but how you have learned, how you are using, that is different. How I will teach you, that is different. Okay, I will teach you in a master way. I will make it some dynamic. Okay, I will make it in a dynamic way. Okay, so don't skip this video, watch till the end, then clear your concept, then move to other video. Double VLOOKUP, reverse VLOOKUP, dynamic VLOOKUP. See, because there is a one series. If you understand this perfectly, then you can move to other one. You will understand that videos also. If you get stuck here, you cannot clear that topics also, because it's a series. Okay, from here onwards it's a series. Okay, so first of all you have to understand this one. First of all, this drop down list, on the basis of just selection, see, automatically the whole data will get updated. Okay, see, the list is very small, so you can easily understand, but the list is, suppose 100 employees are there, because in the real life, in the companies, you will be having 50 employees, 100 employees, or some in thousands employees also. So how will you do? You will do control find, you will type the name, you will select, then you will see the data. Okay, so what you have to do is, first of all, to make it dynamic, create a drop down. Okay, so by selecting simple like this, you will get your data will get automatically updated. Okay, so let's start the formula. I will teach you here only. Okay, because I want to teach you to see, I can clear this one and I can teach you here also. Okay, it will be very easy for me, but I want to tell you from the scratch. Okay, how you have to apply the VLOOKUP formula, what are the problems you are getting, whether you are, when you are dragging from this cell to another cell, what are the problems you are facing, what is the error coming, how to solve that error. Okay, I will teach you each one by one. Okay, so first of all, understand what is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means vertical VLOOKUP. Okay, V means vertical lookup. Okay, it's VLOOKUP, look up the data vertically. So data is like this. Okay, it is looking up the data vertically like this. Okay, that is called as VLOOKUP. So let's start the formula. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, you have to create one drop down list. As I told you in the last video also, keep your cursor here, come to data validation, click on data validation, select here list, because we have some list. Click on source. First of all, you have to click on source, then it will capture the data. From here to here we have data. Okay, just click on okay. See, we got the name from Mahesh Ahuja to Sandeep Kuji, we got the names. Okay, you can select any name here. Okay, now we have to apply the VLOOKUP formula. Okay, what is VLOOKUP? Lookup value is asking, first of all, lookup value. Where is our lookup value? This is our lookup value. We are looking for this data. Okay, so comma table array, where it's table array, I mean the whole data you have to select. Okay, this is our whole data. Okay, what is this? Column index number, from which column you want to extract the data. Okay, so we have to give number of that column. Okay, see, we want basic data. For getting the basic data, we have to count from the first. See, we have selected from here to here. Okay, so this is our first column, this is our second column. Okay, so basic is in second column, so we have to go to comma, for we want approximate, we want exact match. Okay, we don't want approximate match. Okay, you can select this one. See, VLOOKUP will only find an exact match. We don't want approximate match, we want exact match. You can give false, or you can simply give 0 also, no problem. You can give simple 0, or you can select like this, false also. Except for exact match, you want only exact match. bracket close, enter. See now what is happening here is, see, we are getting updating, our data is getting updated on the basis of just click. See, point value 5598. Okay, wait, Rashish 5581. See how data is getting updated. Okay, see, this is a basic VLOOKUP you use in the office. But what will happen when I drag from here to here? What about this wait Rashish data? Wait Rashish data. See what is happening. We are getting wrong data. Okay, see, gross income is wrong, PF is wrong, net salary is wrong. We are getting wrong. Up to first 2-3 columns we are getting right, but after OT you will see there is a change in the data. We are getting wrong data. Why we are getting wrong data? Because if you see come here in HRA, or if you come in DA, no problem, in any column. First column we have kept as a 2, so it will come right. If you come to DA or if you come to HRA, no problem. Select here. See, wait, I will show you the DA only. You will properly understand. See, if you come to DA, see, our lookup value got shifted from A24 to B24. See, it is showing B24 as a lookup value. That is basic. It has selected the basic as a lookup value. But our lookup value is vector Rashis, that is A24. And see, our data also got shifted to one cell. Okay. See, it's not selecting now the names, it is selecting the data from the basic to blanks after the net salary. Okay, so we don't want that. We want our lookup data to be fixed, and lookup value also fixed. Lookup value and lookup data both to be fixed. Okay, so what you have to do is delete this one, come here, this is A24. Okay, select it, press F4. It will keep the data logged. Okay, as I told you in before videos. Okay, now this is our lookup table. Keep selected F4. It will also log the data. Okay, see, if you are getting confused here, come here. Okay, you can see here. See, it is coming like this. Okay, so you can easily get confused. See, in the formula bar here we have logged the cells, log the data, true and false. Just enter. See, we got the data. Now if you drag, see, you are getting simple data. I mean, only one data is getting. Why? What's the reason? See here, if you come, the column index number is 2 only. 2 means this is 1, this is 2. It is taking the basic data only for the each column. Okay, but we don't want that basic data to be repeated in every column. We want this to be updated. So how will you do? If you don't know dynamically in the advanced level, what you will do, you will simply come here, you will change 3 means 1 2 3, D and 3 column, like this, 4 5 6 7 8 9. You will change to here you will come to 4 and 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, you will manually change like this. Okay, this is the way as you are using in your office. Okay, it may be no personal work in your office. But suppose there are columns up to Z. So how will you do? You have to change 26 times, man. Okay, 26. Just see the number 26 times. You have to copy paste. You have to drag the formula 26 times. Okay, I mean, if you do copy paste or you simply drag, you have to change the data 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 26 times. This is not our Excel work. This is not our advanced level formula. Okay, we are just doing in a simple way. We are not doing in an advanced level way. Okay, but I'm going to teach you the advanced level. Just simply drag. You will get the data. Whether 26 columns are there, whether 100 columns are there, don't worry about that. Don't ever worry about that. You will get the answer simply on just to drag, by dragging the cells. That's it, in single shot. Okay, so let's start the formula. Okay, see, if you see here, I have used one columns formula in the column index number. If you click here, see, I will show you here. See, in the column index number, where we give the column index number by calculating manually calculating the numbers. I have used one formula, that is columns formula. What is that columns formula? I will first clarify the column formula. What is columns? you will find two columns, you will find two formulas. One is column, one is columns. You have to take columns. Okay, it will ask you array. What the columns formula does, it counts the only columns. Suppose if you select from here to here, it will count all the columns, how many in between these two selection columns are there. In between columns are there, it will select the in between column. I mean, it will count the first and last also, or in between also, all the columns from this selection to this selection. How many columns are got selected? We have select how many columns. That will give as a number. If 2 we have selected, it will give us a 2 as answer. If 3 we have selected, it will give us a 3 as answer. Okay, so you will try. It will ask you only array. And one more thing, no need to select in the data only. You can select the blank cells also, no problem. It will check only how many columns are selected. That's it. If it has data, no problem. If it is blank, no problem. Okay, I will show you in the blank itself. See, I am selecting from here to here. Okay, enter. See, I have selected 3 cells. I got as answer 3. Okay, this is the number we will shift into column index number in the VLOOKUP formula. Okay, then what will happen, as we drag from this cell to another cell, the columns formula what will do, it will change from 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 5 to 7, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 7 to 9. Okay, like that and so on. Dynamically it will change. Okay, dynamically. You should not do manually. Okay, see, I will give one more example. See, I will select only 2 here. Okay, only 2. What will I get the answer? 2. Okay, if I select only 1, what I got the answer? Only 1, because I have selected only 1 column. If you select 1 column, it will show you the 1. It will select 2, you will get answer 2. If you select 3, you will get answer 3. Okay, so it depends upon the selection. Okay, it doesn't depend upon the data, whether the data is there, whether data is not there. It doesn't think about. It thinks about only how many selection is there in between 2 selection. Okay, so this will shift to here in the column index number, so it will become dynamic. Okay, come here, we will do here. Okay, what I will do here, I will delete this one, column index number. Okay, I will apply the formula of columns. Okay, columns. Now first you have to understand, you are in the basic. Okay, you are starting with the basic. So what is the column index number of basic? You have to, first of all, you have to calculate manually. Okay, what is the basic? See, this, if this is the first column, basic is the second column. Okay, second number. So we have to select 2 columns. Okay, anywhere you can select, anywhere in the whole Excel you can select, but for reference I will select here only. Okay, 2 cells I will select here, blank only, no problem. Okay, bracket, close the bracket for the columns. Okay, otherwise you will get the error. Okay, see, if you are getting confused here, you can see here in the formula box. See, in the formula bar, we look up, I have fixed the first cell, I have fixed the data. See, I have applied columns from A16 to B16, comma false. Okay, so what will happen here, if you select this and if you press F9, see, you are getting 2 as an answer. If you get 2 as an answer, the formula will take the second data. What is the second data? This is first data, employee name. What is second data? Basic name, basic data. So it will capture the basic data and it will show you here. Okay, let's keep control that. And one more thing, if you drag from here to DA, okay, so the columns also, I mean this selection must increase to 3. Okay, then you will get the third 3 as an answer, and it will take the data from the DA. Okay, it should also, as we drag the cells, the columns also, it should also get drag. So how it will drag? If you simply drag, no, 2 cells are there, it will shift it to another 2 cells, another 2 cells, another 2 cells. You will get the same answer. Okay, but here what you have to do is, we have to fix the first one, I mean this one, A16. If you fix this first one by keeping the dollar symbol, and when you will drag this after entering the formula, if you will drag the cell, what will happen? Columns also will increase from 2 to 3. Again, if you drag, it will move to 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Okay, because we have to fix first one. If you don't fix one, it will shift to, the cells will be 2 only, section will be 2 only, but it will get shifted to other cells. Okay, but we have to fix first one. Then only it will become from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Okay, so what you have to do is keep first one in the dollar A16. Just press dollar, it will get fixed. Okay, press enter. Now what you do is simply drag it. See, we got the answer. Victor Ashish, 511, 122, 3223, 3223, 453, 14002, 1232, 1270. See, just by dragging we got the answer. And I will show you one more thing. See, if you come to gross income, if you press F2, see, as we drag the cells from basic to gross income, see the columns also got dragged from 1 to gross income. Okay, from employee name to gross income. See, what is the gross income? If you see the what is the column index number of gross income, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7. So columns also it show the answer as 7. Okay, so what is the columns? It has dragged from here to here. So let's count the columns also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it will show as a 7 as answer. I will show you. Just select it, press F9. See, we are getting 7 as an answer. So automatically when it is getting a 7 as an answer, it will take the data from the 7th column. What is data in the 7th column? Gross income. We are heading same gross income, so we will get the same data. Okay, we'll get the gross income data. Okay, so this is the power. If you see, if you come to last, if you press F2, see, it is also getting dragged. As we are dragging the data from basic to net salary, columns formula is also getting dragged from first to last. Okay, if you have 100 columns, simply drag it, no problem. Columns will also get dragged by 100 columns, no problem. That's the power of simple VLOOKUP. Okay, I mean simple VLOOKUP in advanced level. Okay, so if you don't understand this columns, watch my video again, because we have to clear this concept first of all. Okay, if you clear this concept, then you can come to double VLOOKUP, reverse VLOOKUP, dynamic VLOOKUP. Then only you will understand. If it is not clear, that will not be clear. If it is clear, that will automatically get clear. Okay, so for this video, that much only. My friends, thanks and bye bye.